are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. So today we're going to be making a laptop tote bag. Let's go right ahead and get into our tutorial. So what you will need for this project, we're going to iron on our fusible fleece. I already ironed mine's on. You're going to iron on your 2 outer fabric as well as your 2 lining. It should now look like that. You should have all 4 of them ironed on. All right, let's just put that aside for now. And then we're going to get our other 2 fabrics. And these are for the handles. I already did this process, but I'm going to show you what I did. Was put a fusible fleece. You're going to cut a strip out 2 centimeters as well as a 55 centimeters. And then these are ironed on. And then you're going to place it right at the bottom. And then you're going to iron that on. Okay, you iron that on, that should stick on there. And then we're going to fold that up like that. And then you're going to do the same for this other side, and this other side is going to be touching the middle. I'm going to fold it one more time to iron that out, and that's how I end up getting this results here. You're going to do that for both handles. And so down, all the way down here, and then the other side as well. And then you do the same thing for both of them, down here and then down here. Once you finish sewing both ends, we're going to be folding these corners. I'm going to fold that over 2 centimeters in, and then we're going to sew right there. And then we're going to do the same thing for 4 corners. So this end and that end, do that one and that one. All right, you should now have these all sewn down. All right, let's put that aside for now. And let's get our outer base. We're going to be taking those and we're going to be folding these in half, both of them. And we're going to mark the center. Finish doing that, we're going to be positioning these handles on there. This corner 12 centimeters over, mark it. And from this corner 12 centimeters over and mark it. And that's where you're going to be positioning your handles. Right up here that we stop right here at 12 centimeters, we're going to drop down 7.5 centimeters down, and we're going to mark it right there. And you're going to do the same thing for the other side. At that 12 centimeters mark, we're going to drop down 7.5 centimeters, and we're going to position that, and that's where the handle sits on that 7.5 centimeters. Pin that in place. Let's go ahead and do the other one as well. Once you finish doing that, from the top of the handle, 2.5 centimeters down, you're going to mark right there. The top all the way down 2.5 centimeters, mark right there as well. We're going to sew all the way across here. We're going to come down, go down here, and then come back up. And we're going to crisscross it. We're going to sew across here, and then we're going to sew across here. It should now look like this. Probably can't see it on this fabric. All right, it should be sewn in like that. So let's go ahead and put our tag. This is optional. And we're going to drop it down about 7 centimeters down and center it. Sew that on there. You should now have your tag sewn on there. Work on our zipper. We're going to get your zipper. We're going to take our fabric and we're going to fold this like that. And then we're going to fold it one more time. It should not look like that. That piece you're going to put at the tip of the end over here on the zipper. And you're going to sew that in place. And then on the end of the zipper, we're going to fold this like that. Just to have a cleaner look. Both of them going to be like that. and we're gonna pin that in place. You don't have to do this. I'm using zipper by the yard, but if you can get yourself I think it's a 14-inch zipper. You're gonna sew, see how it is? It's laying back like that. We're gonna sew that just to lock that down, okay? And we're gonna sew this end as well. And once you're finished with that, I already have one already done. This should now look like that, with it being sewn on there, as well as the zipper. Go ahead and fold your zipper in half so we can find the center. There. Okay, then you're gonna find the center for the two lining as well. To fold in half, mark it, the other one as well. So we're gonna get our lining, we're gonna get our zipper. Be sure everything is center, and this center you're gonna match it up. And the right side facing up. We get this one here, and we're gonna make sure we fold that handle down, and then place that in the center as well. And we're gonna pin that in place. Go to the machine, and we're gonna sew all the way across here. You should now have that sewn in place. Let's go ahead and flip that. I'm gonna go ahead and sew right across here. Okay, you should now have the top part sewn. Let's go ahead and get our other lining here. I'm gonna put this on top of it, making sure it's centered. I'm gonna take our other bag. I'm gonna fold this down, both of these down. I'm gonna place that on top of here, pin that in place. I'm gonna go to machine, and we're gonna sew all the way across here. So let's go ahead and open that up. Making sure this sits like that, these two touching each other like that. Just sew down here, all the way down here. Okay, you should now have it both sides sewn. Except we're gonna fold this over, the right side facing each other, and then the lining gonna face each other. Make sure everything lines up, pin in place. And so we're gonna leave a gap on the lining section. We're gonna leave a gap right here, about a 12-centimeter gap. Okay, starting from here, that mark, coming all the way down, across, up, across again, and then stop at that line right here and leave a gap. Now be all sewn all the way around. Clip these corners. So now I have one more step to do. Sew that gap. Okay, you should now have that sewn in place. Let's tuck this in. And there it is. So let's test this out. Let's go ahead and put our computer in here. Perfect. It's beautiful, y'all. I love it. We are done. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share as well. You will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.